Hi, I'm Cole Roth with MarineMax Naples. Today we're in beautiful Naples, Florida. We're going to check out the 38 Outrage, powered by quad 300 V8 Mercuries. Starting at the transom of this 2023 380 Outrage, we have one of the freshwater showers. This boat holds 60 gallons of fresh water and 60-gallon live well. Moving forward, we have aft foldable seating as well as a jump seat on the starboard side. And just forward, we have our aft-facing prep station with grill and sink. Plenty of storage tackle. As we move forward from the aft-facing prep station, as we move towards the helm, we see a fridge on the port side. Moving forward to our 3 captain seats in this beautiful whaler sea gray color. Up at the helm of the 380, we do have JPO steering on this boat, as well as fly-by-wire shifting. Helm of the 380, we have our twin 16-inch Simrad displays. All of our toggle switches are easily accessible. We have heat and AC at the helm. Up on top, we have a glove box, your defroster switch, a seakeeper screen, and your VHF radio. As we move to the bow of the 380, you'll notice a 2-person lounger up front with armrests on either side as well as cup holders in the middle. In front of our lounger, we have a bow table that is on an electric actuator, allowing it to go up and down. To either side of the table, we do have optional backrests that pick up, or you can lay down for smooth seating around the table. As we step into the cabin of this 2023 380, you'll see just to your port side all of the AC paneling, as well as the generator start and stop panel all up top here. Moving forward in the cabin, we have storage under here. Plenty of rod storage that you can lock the cabin and keep them safe and sound. We do have AC and heat in the cabin. This turns into a bed area with a simple flip over of the cushion. On the starboard side, we have a little sink and storage area underneath. In here, we have a full-size head and shower. And that concludes the tour of our 2023 Boston Whaler 380 Outrage. Again, my name's Cole. I'm here at MarineMax Naples. Thanks for watching.